Greetings, everybody. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is A Goddess of Love, and welcome to A Goddess Love's Abundant Living. I am your spiritual business and life coach, and I teach you how to live the abundant life that Jesus talked about by raising your vibratory frequency and aligning yourself with the attributes of God. All right, so what are the attributes of God? Love, joy, harmony, peace, success, prosperity, abundance, kindness, compassion. All of those are attributes of God. And so, well, let's get into this this message today. So I'm on my spirit walk today, and let me thank you guys so much for tuning in and going on my spirit walks with me. So this is what came to me today. Let me get the sun out the way. All right, so I just wanted to do a check-in. But before we go into this message, let's open up in prayer. Infinite Spirit, we give you all the praise, thanks, glory, and honor. Speak through me today. Allow your perfect will to be done in our lives. Bless everyone listening to the sound of my voice with health, wealth, love, joy, happiness, success, and infinite money. And so it is. Amen. Okay, you guys, so today I wanted to just check in with you guys to see how everybody is doing. This is a mental health check-in. So with everything that's been going on with the pandemic since 2020, I know we have lost, members in our families and closest friends and associates and people that we know have crossed over into the spirit realm, because of this mess and nonsense that's going on. And so I just wanted to do a check-in and check in on you guys and encourage you to do your part as far as keeping your immune system built up. Okay, so let me encourage you guys to go and purchase yourself some zinc and calcium and magnesium, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin B, B12 or the B complex. Vitamin A keep coming to me, and vitamin K. So I looked those up, and I know it's in kale. So maybe you might want to juice some kale, some spinach, carrot, apple, celery, beets. All of these different things are good to help keep your immune system built up. Okay? And so again, I just want to encourage you. Now I know they're talking about, these different variants and strands and all that's coming out. But listen, you guys, don't be in fear. Continue to have faith and trust God. And whatever you can do to keep your immune system built up, do that. All right? So try to de-stress. Because again, stress will lower your immune system. Okay? So try to de-stress every day by just sitting in meditation and breathing deep. Get out into nature and take a walk. I make sure I take my walk every morning. It's not about motivation, because a lot of people ask me, like, how you so motivated to go on a walk, every day? But it's not about motivation. It's about discipline. And whether I feel like it or not, I still get up and I come on my walk and I talk to the Father. I might talk to my daddy. And then sometimes I'll turn the camera on and make a video. So again, this is just a mental check-in with everybody. I know it's been a lot going on, and a lot of people, going through different sicknesses and ailments, and a lot of us have lost people along this journey. And so again, I would encourage you to do your internal work around how you feel about this whole pandemic. Write that stuff out. I feel like, it's unfair, that this plague would hit the world like this. I feel now, I know the Bible talk about it and everything, but I feel like it's unfair for the people that think they're in control, because God still rules in the kingdom of men, but the people that think they're in control to release such a toxic weapon on the world. You know, I just think a lot of stuff is unfair, but this is me doing my internal work and making sure that I'm in a good mental place to release this stuff, okay? As we're going along, you know, every day. Now, I have some family members that that crossed over into the spirit world behind this whole pandemic stuff. And you know, it's been a very emotional time for everybody. A lot of people have lost their jobs and, you know, trying to figure out, you know, how they're gonna make it, what their futures look like. And at the end of the day, as painful as it may be right now for a lot of people, you have to continue, number one, to trust God. And I know that sounds easier said than done, but you have got to find a way to let love reign and positivity every day. Now, feel what you feel, you know, whatever emotions you're feeling behind all this stuff going on, feel that and write that stuff out. Burn that stuff up, transmute it back into pure positive energy, and then find ways that'll help you along your journey throughout your day. Find ways that'll help you mentally and emotionally. Okay, if you gotta take a yoga class to center yourself, just so you're not stressing about all the stuff that's going on, do that. Like I said, if you have to meditate 2 and 3 times a day to keep yourself centered, do that. Take a walk in nature. Take a walk on the beach. Anything that's going to help you de-stress and detach from all the stuff that's going on right now. Because remember, you guys, we didn't come here for to be in bondage of everything that we see. We came here to be free, okay? And being free is definitely our birthright. And so we have to keep fighting for our freedoms, even in a world that's trying to lock us down. We have to continue to fight for our freedoms. And so I stand with everybody as far as if you believe in the jab that they're putting in your arm, I'm not saying I'm against it, and I'm not saying that I'm for it, but it's your body and your choice, and whatever you feel within your spirit that you want to do, then hey, I support your choice, okay? Because nobody should be able to take our choices from us. All right, and I know it's a lot of division that's going on in the world about the people that have been jabbed and the people that have not been jabbed. And so you guys have got to think about the powers that be, or the ones that feel that they're in control. You know, it's all about separation and division, you know. And if they could keep the world divided and against each other, then, you know, they win. And so for the ones that feel like my body, my choice, keep fighting for your rights. Keep standing up for your rights. And yeah, that's all I'm going to say about that. But how you can do your part is to keep your immune system built up so that you don't attract anything to you, and so you don't pass anything along. So keep your immune system built up. You know, get your juicer and juice every day. Make sure you take your vitamins. Make sure you're eating organic fruits and vegetables. If you have a garden and you grow your own stuff, you know, to God be the glory for that, because a lot of people is being forced into that way of living right now anyway. So that's a really good thing. And then that way, you know, you're not getting GMO products. You know, you're not getting products with all these pesticides and everything on them. So I encourage you, keep up with your garden or start a garden of your own. All right, so again, this was a mental health check-in, and I just want to encourage you guys to do your internal work around everything that's been going on. I know it's been devastating. It has definitely been devastating for my family, I tell you, and I deal with it every day with people in my family that have crossed over from this mess. And, you know, I understand that it could be a daily struggle, especially when you're missing loved ones or you're watching different ones, you know, sick and things like that. But this is not going to last always. You know, this too shall pass, and it will. And we just have to stay prayerful and stay strong, even in the midst of this storm. We have to walk it out in victory. We got to learn how to walk it out in victory and spiritual dignity. And so this is the time that we should be praying and interceding the most. We should be fasting the most. And fasting is good too. Even if you don't want to do like a 3-day fast is good with just water. But then intermittent fasting is good as well. Okay? Intermittent fasting is really good. And I stopped eating before 6 p.m. and I don't eat anything until the next day right around noon. So I think that's about 18 hours if I'm not mistaken. But intermittent fasting is good, and fasting allows you to it does something in your mind, and I love it. It's amazing. I love it because for me, it keeps me centered, and it keeps me focused, and it keeps me before God, and I have more clarity. I have more clarity when I'm fasting. And yeah, so I think that's it for this video today, you guys. So I just want to stand in prayer with you all, that God will strengthen you and heal your hearts and deliver you and your family members from this pandemic and this plague that seemed like it didn't hit the earth. But again, stay stronger, stay focused, do your part in keeping yourself healthy. Also, let me say this, okay? For the people that don't want to exercise, you don't have to join a gym, but get up and get moving. Just go on a walk. You know, start off with just 30 minutes a day. Get up and get moving. If you don't want to go outside because it's cold outside and you have stairs in your house, and this is what I used to do back in the day. I had stairs in my house, and I would run up and down those stairs 20 times, morning, noon, and night. Because in Chicago, in the wintertime, it was cold and a bunch of snow, and I didn't feel like going to the gym or anything like that. And sometimes you couldn't even get out. You know, you couldn't go out because the snow was so high and you'd be snowed in. So I had to be creative. But get up and move your bodies, you guys. And that'll shake off depression and everything else. And put on something funny. Some funny videos. Anything that'll lift your spirits. Okay? So, I hope this video has helped you, blessed you, and helped you elevate in some shape, form, or fashion. I want to say thank you guys again for tuning in and for going on my spirit walks with me and listening to me. You know, what God gives me and then what I want to share. So again, I want to thank you for being a part of my journey. And I want to thank you for allowing me to be a part of your journey. Please go to the website at AGODDESSLOVE.org and go ahead and purchase go ahead and download your free prayers and affirmations. There's prayers on there about a little bit of everything, and there's affirmations on there that's going to help you every day along your journey, okay? And 40-day vegan challenge. So if you guys want to try veganism, go ahead and purchase that book. It's only $19.99 to try the 40-day vegan challenge, and I promise it will bless your life. So if you have high blood pressure, diabetes, any ailments like that, arthritis, things like that, try the 40-day vegan challenge and allow it to do what it's designed to do. Okay? I've been a vegan for years now. I've been a vegetarian since I was actually 26, and I am 47 now. So I've been on this journey for quite some time. And I love it, and I thank God for it. I really do. Anyway, so leave me a comment. Tell me how everybody is doing. How you guys holding up? Also, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends. Okay? And I will check in with you guys possibly tomorrow when I'm on my spirit walk. So until next time, be blessed, be free, be happy, be prosperous, be at peace, happy creating, spread love, and namaste.